Today we are going to start chapter 4. The chapter name is climate. The climate and weather both are interchangeable terms. But in literal meaning, the definition of both the words weather as well as climates are different from each other. Weather is the momentary state of atmosphere which keeps on changing with movements even. On the other hand, climate are the average of weather condition over a longer period of time. It means weather is the momentary state of atmosphere while climate refers to the average of weather condition over a longer period of time. Weather changes quickly, it may be in a day or a week, but climate imperceptibly change and it may be noticed the climate of a place changes a few after 50 to 60 years or even more than that time. But the elements of weather and climate are same. It is temperature, precipitation, pressure, humidity, wind direction and the velocity of wind. And due to these variations, there are differences in weather condition during the different season as well as in different parts of the world. And these changes occur due to the changes in the elements of weather and climate, that is temperature, precipitation, pressure, humidity, wind direction and velocity. Today the main topic is to understand why a place having different climate as compared to other place. Why not the climate or the weather of every place is same? For that purpose, we need to understand some factor. The factor influence the climate or weather of a place depends on latitude, altitude, relief, proximity of sea and ocean current. The 5 points and 5 determinant factor influence the climate and weather. These things actually determine the kind of climate or weather of any place. In India or at any place, climate is controlled by all the factor by the number of factor which can be broadly categorized into the factor related to location and relief and factor related to air pressure and wind. But here we are going to do all these factors collectively. Latitude of a place determine the temperature because over the equator temperature is higher, but as you move toward the poles temperature decreases. There is fall in temperature with the moving toward poles. For example, we know that the Tropic of Cancer passes through the central part of India in the east and west direction, which divide India into two parts, tropical zone and the subtropical zone. The place which lie in the south of Tropic of Cancer, this place, this whole region lies in the south of Tropic of Cancer, experience subtropical climate. Tropical climate. And in the north of Tropic of Cancer, it's the subtropical climate. The tropical zone being why tropical zone? Because this whole India is closer to the equator here, which is in the south, and experiences this region of tropical zone experiences high temperature throughout the year with small daily and annual range of temperature. But area which are here in the north of Tropic of Cancer, because this place is away from the this tropic of 0 degree latitude, that is equator, means area is away from the equator. That's why this whole region will experience extreme climate and high daily and annual range of temperature. Second, altitude of a place is one of the important factor because temperature decreases with increase in height, and there is a normal lapse rate of temperature. Normal lapse rate means the rate at which temperature falls, lapse, with increase in height. This normal lapse of temperature is 1 degree Celsius per 165 meter. It means when you go up in the sky toward the sky around 165 meter, there would be fall of 1 degree Celsius. The temperature decreases with height due to thin air. Places in the mountains are cooler than the places in the plains. Example I can give you, Agra and Darjeeling are having the same latitude, but the temperature in this month of May and June in Agra is around 40-45 degrees Celsius during the daytime, but it rarely touches 25 degree 26 degree in Darjeeling. Another example, you can take the Shimla and Amritsar. Both are at the same latitude, but the temperature, the climate of Shimla is much pleasant, much cooler than the climate of the temperature of Amritsar. So altitude influence the temperature of a place, and a temperature is one of the important factor. Relief. The physiography of a place do not affect the temperature, air pressure, direction, speed of winds, and the amount and distribution of rainfall as well. Because in a mountain from where winds come, this windward side will receive higher rainfall because this is in windward side, and opposite this side, leeward side, receive less rainfall. Example, the physiography or the relief of India, which is affected by the temperature, air pressure, direction and speed of wind, and the amount and distribution of rainfall also influenced by the relief. The windward side of Western Ghat, Assam receive high rainfall during the June, September as well, whereas southern plateau remain dry due to its leeward situation along the Western Ghats. Another, proximity of water bodies. The places which are close to the seas having moderate temperature experiencing moderate temperature as compared to interior part of the same latitude experiences extreme temperature. In India, we are having a long coastline, large coastal area. This whole region having equable temperature. Area which are here interior of India, which are far away from the sea, such area having extreme climate. Example, Delhi. And this is the reason the people of Mumbai here and Konkan region, Konkan coast, Malabar coast, hardly experience any idea of extreme of temperature and the seasonal rhythm of weather. On other hand, here in northern part there is a seasonal contrast in weather at a place in the interior of the country, such as Delhi here, Kanpur here, Lucknow here, or at all the places. Next factor is oceanic currents. There are two types of oceanic currents. One are warm, another are cold oceanic currents. The places which is under the influence of warm oceanic currents have higher temperature as compared to the place which is under the influence of cold oceanic currents. Right? These are the factor, 5 factor. Among all these factor, these all factor influence the temperature and rainfall. These two elements are influenced by all this. Right? Thank you.